Okay. Today we're going to be doing the same thing we did yesterday. However, we're going to need to write the inequality first. Okay. So we need to talk about some words other than less than that mean this same symbol. Okay. We need to talk about some words that mean less than or equal to, but mean the same thing. Okay. So less than. Let's think of some words that mean less than. Does anybody have an idea?
At most. How to be greater. Yeah.
Okay. So I like your at most, but if I said at most 5, could it be 5?
No. Wait, yeah.
If I say at most, so at most would be over here where there is some equality. Okay, so Jada, I like it, but it just needs to be with that or equal to. Okay, so what's another way to say less than? Okay, so I like the no more than, but would that be with an equal or no?
I think you should. That wouldn't be with it. No more than that would be like. Wait, it would be less than. Yeah, it would be there.
It would be here.
You could have it. Then less.
What about like below? Would below be the same thing as less than?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's think of another word like below.
Less than.
Under. Yes. What's another word for?
Low, under.
I'll put another beneath.
We're not thinking about
Okay. So now that we've talked about these, let's think of our greater than and greater than or equal to. So let's talk about greater than. Oh yeah, we talked about that yesterday, right? More than. Give me another word.
More than.
Okay, so less than we said below. More than. Okay. So let's do this. If less than or equal to is at most, for greater than or equal to, we could say at least.
Yes, more than. What?
If no less than. I think that gives us a pretty good start, don't you think? Okay. Okay, so, I really feel that you can write me the inequality for number 1 and number 2. I want you to go ahead and do that for me.
Oh.
Write the inequality for number 1 and number 2.
I can't think when you talk.
You get a pick word for it.
Oh, use that word.
She needs to.
Just write the inequality. Just write the inequality. I don't even care about the graph right now. Just write the inequality.
You should be a barbecue dad on. I want to do one.
Oh.
You should be a barbecue dad on Friday.
Are those right? I don't know. Put number 1.
That's
scared.
Right. It's right. It's right.
Whoa. I do the other one too.
No. All right. This is
Aw.
what Corin has for number 1. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. For number 2, Kinley, write down what you have for number 2. Like X,
Oh.
like X is,
Do we do the line or no?
okay, this is what Kinley has. Do you agree? Yes? Okay, so for number 1, I'm just gonna pick where 4 is. Okay, Ryan, what do I do at 4? Well,
Make a circle.
but I need a
Oh, yeah,
circle.
you gotta make a circle.
Open or close?
Open.
Okay, open. And then which way do I go? Which way is that way? Okay. Okay. So like Miss Newton likes to do this so that it's above. So if you want to do that, that's fine. Okay, that's great. All right. What? Yeah, she. Okay. So then, Jada, what do I do at -18? What kind of circle? Closed. And it goes to the right. Okay. Cool. Now, that's just like our warm up, right? Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. Now, the only thing, like, make sure you label that that's 4 and that's -18. Okay. I make sure that there's a 4 right here on your graph. Make sure you write -18 right here on your graph. Okay. All right. So, Arislin, the third one, a number is at least -2. So I'm going to make our number A. And what kind of sign do we need between A and -2? Just greater than or equal to. Okay. At least. You need to be at least 16 years old to get a driver's license. You can be 16 or more, right? Okay. So at -2, we're going to make a closed circle. And Bronson, which way do we travel? Right or left? And you already answered me right. A number, I'm going to call it N for number, is no more than N. You can be no more than 12 years old to get a kid's meal at a restaurant. Isn't that what I just said? I said 12.
She said 12.
This is 9. I'm just giving you a situation. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to put a closed circle at 9. And Bella, which way am I going to go? Right or left? Okay. A number is at most 40. You write it down. Let's use F. You write it down. At most. The most that I can be is 40. Tyler, what did you write down? Like it'd also be, it'd be that? So if a number is at most 40, 40 is the biggest it can be, right? So at most, that means 40 is the biggest it can be, and all the other numbers need to be smaller. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna have some fun. Okay. We need to be able to do this with like situations where it's not directly telling us what's happening. Okay. So on the next page, the first 2 deal with temperature. So how about you and your elbow partner? Please do not graph it. I only would like you to write it down. You and your elbow partner decide, and we'll do T for temperature. Write inequality for 1, write inequality for 2. Let me do this. All right. Okay, let's see. Brady, what did you and Olivia come up with for number 1?
Lesson or equal to.
Okay, Corin, why is it less than or equal to? Okay, you can have 50, but then it has to be smaller than 50. Okay, so are we good with this? Okay, so let's just go ahead and graph it. Pick whatever little tick mark to be 50. Braylea, open or close circle at 50. Beautiful. And then we're gonna go to the left, like Beyonce.
You don't know who Beyonce is?
All right, well, we'll educate him later. Denise, what did you and Braylea come up with for number 2?
And then the one that's pointing greater than E.
So it's eating the T and then 70.
Am I right?
Is there a line or no line?
No line, no line.
No line. Okay. Harper, why is it no line? Why is it just T is greater than 70? Okay, and what gives that away? Like which word?
What?
Okay, above 70. It doesn't say 70 or above, Brady, Ryan. It says above 70. So when we go to 70, Brady, what kind of circle are we making? Open, good.
Oh, yeah.
Ryan, why open?
Because it's going to the right.
That's not why, but it is going to the right, but why is it an open circle?
Yeah, it's not equal to.
Okay, let's, everybody look at me. Look at me. Everybody look at me. Kinley and Trent. Okay, when I ask somebody to explain something to me, sometimes I'm doing it to help them and you. So you bailing them out is not helping them, okay? So 3 and 4, you and your partner decide what kind of inequality needs to be 3 and 4. Okay, let's meet back together. Quinlan, what do you and Bella have for number 3?
We have X is greater than or equal to 2.
Okay, so you took the word less than and so why did you choose greater than or equal to? Can you explain that to me?
Because there is less than.
Okay, so let's look at this. You see how this says no less than?
Oh, so it's gonna be. Oh, okay, so it's gonna be less than.
let's talk about the equal to. If it says it rained less than 2 inches, could 2 be a part of that? No. So we're gonna keep it with just the lesson, okay? So on your graph, thank you, Quinlan, for talking that through with me. At the 2, we're gonna put an open circle. That's not a circle. And we're gonna graph up. No. Which way? I forgot. Which way? I don't know. What way is that? Oh, okay.
That was kind of funny.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't forget you.
Okay. Tyler, what about number 4? At least 3 inches. Okay, is the alligator eating the 3 or the X? You said greater than or equal to, yeah. Okay. Okay, so Corin, you kind of just had an aha moment. Why is there the equality there? At least 3, so it's saying, hey, it can include 3. That's the least it can be. It has to be 3 or more. Okay. All right. So at the 3, we have a closed circle and we're going to shade the numbers above. Okay. All right. Do 5 and 6 with your partner. You know, some of you are working ahead of me and that like kind of tells me, ooh, I'm excited about this and I understand it.
What would be the last one?
Just let me have my happiness, okay? I'm just happy you're getting it done for now. All right. Eyes up here. Olivia, what did you and Grady write for number 5? Jada, do you agree?
Sure.
Only sure you're not.
Not a yes.
Okay, so at 100, we're gonna put a closed circle and we're gonna shade all the values that are bigger than 100. Okay. Number 6, Trenton, what do you have?
X is greater than or equal to 60.
Okay, you need a 60% to earn a grade, the passing grade. So you can earn a 60 or you can earn more than a 60. Now, right now, that might not mean as much to you, but next year when you're taking classes at the high school, if you don't pass a class, guess what? You got to take it again.
Ew. You have to no matter what.
You have to get so many credits to graduate. So like algebra 1 is what you're going to take as freshmen next year. If you don't pass a semester, you have to retake that semester.
Oh, wait, semester.
Yep, so then they would have to retake it probably at the non-advanced level. Okay, so you have 6 minutes. Some of you have already turned to the next page and gotten started. Page 6 is your homework. Go for it.